Be careful I don't. Take it down. Train down. Dad would be sad at me.
Why would Daddy be sad at you?
I broke his train.
How did Daddy make his train?
I want to knock it down.
No, don't knock Daddy's train down. What did Daddy make his train out of? What are we playing with?
Blue.
Yeah, there's blue. Yeah, what else? What other color?
Brown.
Brown. What train is that, buddy? Who is that?
Thomas.
Thomas! Daddy made you a Thomas the Train out of Play-Doh. Yay, Daddy! What are you making, Paige?
I'm making my own train.
Oh, you're making your own train? Okay. Can't wait to see it. You're making a purple one?
Can we with this?
Nope. You're doing a good job.
You're gonna eat, you're gonna just go out here.
What'd you do?
Oh, that's right.
You did break Daddy's train, you little monkey.